You want to get Boob's feet?
Hey!
He's got you back in the corner. Be nice to him, Boobs. Run that way, he'll chase you. Run! Get her! Go get her! Go get her, Herb! Go get Sissy! Oh, he's not chasing you, see? You think he worried about you, he not. What are you doing? You getting into trouble? Are you getting into trouble? Here he comes. He's coming to get you. Go get her. Go get her, Herb. He doesn't want to leave out the kitchen. Go get her. Get the sissy. Go get her. What are you doing? Come on. You want to step up? He don't want to step up. Oh, he did.